Hey everybody, at BV Matson here. The 1972 CL350 Scrambler is trailered up, ready to go for winter storage up north, and possibly its new home, its new forever home maybe. We'll see. We're gonna give this trailer a big test. We got a 5-6 hour trip going, but this thing is rock solid, tied up to the Renegade, and we should be good, as they say. This thing ain't going anywhere. Still a beautiful bike. It's the one that launched the YouTube series, launched the whole channel, and really launched KeepOnWrenching.com and all of it. Got the good bits taken off of it. And yeah, everything should be good. It's gonna be a rainy run from what it looks like. So yeah, but there it is, sitting on the trailer, ready for its great adventure. Going down the road, and the 1972 CL350 is riding steady, hanging out, going straight down the road, and you know what, can barely feel it behind this Jeep Renegade, so clocking miles. Trip is going really smoothly so far. Actually kidding. Actually had one strap break on the interstate. Saw the bike kind of lean over. That was kind of scary, but it didn't fall off or anything. I managed to pull over, and luckily I had an extra strap kind of laying in the back, so I was able to fix that up. Made a quick stop at a Walmart. First time I've been in a Walmart. I don't even remember the last time I've been in a Walmart. And grabbed some more ratchet straps and secured her down again. I think what happened there was that I had it up against kind of a sharp piece of metal, and over time it just kind of vibrated loose. So that was an adventure. Always fun to pull off onto the side on a busy interstate at like 3 o'clock on a Friday afternoon. Yeah, that was fun, adventurous. Everything turned out great, but now got the trailer rolling back here, and it is just straight and steady. It's not wobbling at all. I think we got smooth sailing for the rest of the way. Up north, I'll try to give you some looks at the fall colors, man. The fall colors are, they're pretty darn close to peak up here. This is some beautiful country. So as I get out there, and if I can get into some sunshine, I'll show you some fall colors on this little journey. So yeah, just a quick little update on what's going on. Yeah, steady back there, man. This trailer is such a game changer for KeepOnWrenching.com. All right, thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video. The timing of the trip couldn't have been better. Was right in peak fall colors, heading up to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Hey everybody, little update. I had to take a little pit stop, and the rig is actually working out pretty damn good. So far, so good. The 72 CL350 doing well. All the straps are still nice and tight. Had that one break on the interstate, man. That was kind of an iffy situation. But just so you know, the carbs are pulled on this. I do have these all blocked off. Put plastic seal and a zip tie over on that to protect everything. I ended up putting the seat back on. Just because it's been raining so hard, I didn't want all the electronics and stuff to get dumped on. But yeah, this little bugger, this little trailer is working out really well. It's a little bit loud. It's a little rattly. I might go and just permanently put bolts in on some of these, because it's a little bit rattly in that sense. But yeah, it's still there. You might be wondering about this headlight here. Well, remember I dropped the headlight and broke it, so I just covered up the wire basket there. Keep that there. But yeah, so far so good on the journey of the 1972 CL350, going to its forever home up in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, and we're seeing some amazing fall colors on this trip. So cool. All right, let's get back to it. Well, if it'll open. Yeah. Slow and steady wins the race. It was kind of a slow ride. Took it about 60, 65 the whole way. Getting passed by everybody, man. But the trailer just tows so straight. It is absolutely perfect for these vintage Honda motorcycles. And this is the 1972 CL350 on its way to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. This has been a really, really fun road trip. And man, again, let's just take a look at some of these fall colors. It's awesome when you can like time it to see peak, you know, like, man, just the variety. It's really beautiful. The further north you go, it just gets prettier and prettier and prettier. Really an enjoyable ride, minus kind of the torrential downfall of rain that happened like every 15 minutes or so. If you've ever traveled from the mitten of Michigan, you know, traveling up north, eventually you're going to run into the Mackinac Bridge that takes you to the Upper Peninsula. Here's some footage. I just thought it'd be fun to share with you, just because, you know, crossing the Mackinac Bridge is kind of a big deal, kind of a fun trip. So enjoy the trip across the bridge. Well, we were cruising right along, but getting through the toll on the Mackinac Bridge is slowing me down a little bit. The line's pretty big. Now we're cruising. We'll get through this. Got about an hour to go. Getting dark. We'll make it though. Pretty smooth trip overall. All right, it got pretty late last night. Rolled in, what was it, about 9 o'clock or so. Trailer did exceptionally well, and you know, it was perfect for the little Renegade. The 1972 CL350 has found its new home, and we're starting to put this thing back together. Just doing some tidying up, but yeah, it's gonna look sweet. Everything's just laying around. We'll get it back together. I'll give you a little sneak peek of this one. This one's getting running today. Oh my God. Watch the channel for updates on this one. Whew, that one's a pretty one. All right, this video is getting a little bit long, so I'm going to end it here. In the next video, I'll show you how we took that trailer and how it folds up into this nice compact design. Look for that in one of the next videos coming up. But yeah, couldn't have worked out better. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was a little bit different. It was more of a journey video, I guess. But if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to hang out with some fellow wrenchers, be sure to hit up the Facebook group, the Keep On Wrenching community group on Facebook. And of course, don't forget to visit keeponwrenching.com to get that free sticker. All right, everybody, we'll see you in the next video or live stream.